Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this professional looking 3D design. So without wasting much time, I'll just set up a video question for you guys and let's see how it goes. So you watch and follow the video for I'll put the answer to the riddle inside the video. So let us begin. So the first thing to do is to go to your 2-point line tool, and this is the resource we'll be using right here, so I'll put the link in my description below to be able to download it. So using your 2-point line tool, sketch it. I'll sketch this first part and go over to the second part. Alright, now that we're done shaping it out, we just bring out the outline. We'll give it a red color. This particular deep red color is what to give it, and this other larger part, give it the same red color but with a touch of dark blue color. So you go to your interactive field tool, then just highlight the bottom part and come over to your elliptical fountain fill, or rather your conical fountain fill, or just try the elliptical fountain fill too. So alright, this will be okay. We'll increase the outline of it. We'll just position it at the center. And on this white box, we'll give it a dark blue color. Now it looks perfect. So guys, as you're watching, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So alright, once you're done with this part, you highlight everything. First of all, go to your ellipse tool, hold your control to draw a perfect circle. I'll zoom it to get a clearer view of it. Give it a white color, a white outline too. Then duplicate each circle and reduce the size of it. So this particular picture, you can delete it, we no longer need it. It doesn't matter the position where you keep the circles, so far you keep it in a position that makes it look nice. So alright, so done with this. You highlight everything, go to your bitmaps, convert to bitmaps, ensure it is a resolution of 300 dpi, and go to your effect menu, straight to your texture, then to plastic. So in your plastic, we have three options: the highlight, the depth and the smoothness. So ensure your highlight is at 0 points, depth is at 35 points, smoothness is at 34 points, and select OK. So you can see now this looks exactly like the original design. I'll bring it here to compare with it, and with this we are done. And see how easy it is to design such thing. So guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.